Hey, good morning and welcome to OnePunch Algo. For those who don't know about OnePunch Algo channel, we keep live streaming sessions Monday to Friday from 7:45 am to 9:30 am Eastern Time. In the pre-market sessions, we check for the pre-market scanners to find out early morning top gapping in stock that are less than $20. Then we look into the reason they are moving, and based on the positive and negative news, we filter 3 to 4 results. After that, we check for the outstanding share volume, share float, and then we mark resistance and support levels. Finally, we use OnePunch Algo 15-minute and 30-minute charts to find the trend reversals together with the support and resistance levels to make intraday trading for the maximum profit. Hey, good morning guys. CBAY, yeah. CBAY is moving. Yeah, that's a momentum buy right now. Let's see with 5 minute. Yeah, as I start to buy the momentum, just like the one in here. Oh, nice. Did you? So what was the news? Okay, so that's actually an announcement. Yeah, watch 15 minutes closer. If a hard sell candlestick form, it might turn down. 336, 56, that's great. Yep, true. Let's go ahead and watch. The stock here is up last week post market, and you can see there's the hard sell at 445. Since then it's down. Only news I can see that they are going to delay in reporting fiscal results. So I don't know why it's going up. It should go down now. This could be a good short stock. When it open, I would watch for it to short. Well, but it's gonna be hard. They have 3.8 million outstanding shares, and then the share float is around 2.9, so it's gonna be hard to get shortable shares. ADT is up 760 million outstanding shares. I see a hard sell right now at about 745, but you can still trade it, pump and dump for the HIHO if you can. Yeah, ADT right now there is no other indicators for the last few minutes. So what is the news for the ADT? Let's check. And I always have to log in. Which one, ADT or the other one? Oh, ADT and Google partner to create leading smart home security offering. That's not bad. Okay, so for here, yeah, you did well selling it last Friday. Oh, that's the bot. I added the bot so I can remind other guys to check. But what's going on here though? I think that's the wrong link. Let me check the bot. Give me 1 minute. Okay, now it should be right. It was giving a wrong link. Oh, you're buying ADT? Yeah, so for ADT 30 minutes, let's see. Right now they are both of sell at 7:30, but a small buy is forming. So here is the link to the PDF where you can see and learn the OnePunch Algo. I think it will be helpful. And for 15 minutes, since they have the news with Google, so let's learn what they have. Let me share the link to the news. Okay, so Google is investing 450 million. Oh wow. Okay. Hey, good morning, Femi. Okay, so 450 million on 760 million outstanding shares. That should actually pump it at least by 50%. Yeah, right. Market cap is 6.5 million. ADT news ER is going to be this week as well, so maybe there's something. So they are estimating 29 cents profit per share. What was the estimate last time? That was a minus 40 cents. Well, actually the estimate was 19 cents, but the result was minus 40 cents. If we check for their debt, the outstanding share volume, let's see what was the results. Okay, so they have 10 billion in debt, and then the outstanding share volume is raised to 770 million from 753 million last year, but it's jumping up and down, so they're trying to control it. IPO was in 2017 and the company came with 10 billion debt since the open. But now Google is actually investing, so this could actually go up again. Maybe a day trading strategy with 5 minutes. No, I don't see any day trading activation yet with 5-minute chart as well. 50-minute chart shows hard sell. These are the hard sell indicators. This one here, this one here, and this one here. So 3 hard sells, so this should reverse. Good short. Plenty of stocks available to short as well. So let's go ahead and check other stocks. HIHO, I don't think it's gonna do anything else, even though they have less than 4 million outstanding shares. There could be something if the news is good. Let's go ahead and check if they have news. Yeah, so it's just about the fiscal results delay due to coronavirus. I don't think there's anything into this. CBAY still moving up with 5-minute chart. That's the buy. Since we started talking, still I see a buy option, a momentum buy indicator. So it should go up. Hey guys, please like the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It will get you the notification when we are live as soon as possible. CBAY, let's see. Here's the news for CBAY. This is not a FD approval, right? This is just an announcement. Okay, yeah, just an announcement. This could turn red. So watch 15 minutes for CBAY. As soon as you get that hard sell, then that should be the sell. They also have the earnings in 3 days. Actually, yes. Let's mark the support and resistance level for CBAY just in case if we have something there. But they also have 68 million outstanding shares, 66 million share float. Let's check year today. For 10, 587, 757, hey, welcome. 57, this is the previous high, so let's mark it with orange. I think it's touching that point and about to bounce. Let's see. I want to mark the other ones as well to see if it can actually go more than this. It seems like that 658, there's another resistance. see, from 1 year maybe, yeah. $7.36. Okay, I don't think from, if it passed from 8, it should go really nice. Okay, maybe 9.90. Okay, let's mark those one. Alright, I'm not going to mark the other ones. Let's see if it can break those. Let's do the support as well here. $388. Yeah, there's a support at 388. Let's mark with blue. Okay, 342. All right, let's go ahead and check again with 15-minute chart. Yeah, it's actually breaking on the 15-minute chart. So the next option would be 587. So if you go back to 5-minute chart here, that's the breakout point. Momentum is stopped though. So and check 1 minute. Yeah, so there is the resistance. That's why it's keep on going in this straight line between 510. If it break, then the next stop could be 587. So that's 13% profit. And if it break, then there will be another 10%, 11% profit. So watch out for the break. $15-minute still shows a positive trend. Oh, now it's turning red. We have 2 minutes, so you guys have to watch the countdown. So I was telling Femi about this. If you are doing 1 minute, I would wait until the countdown for the 1 minute candlestick chart is at least halfway to decide. Got out at 5.3. Nice. You waited for this to turn red. So the 15-minute, we have 1 more minute left for the 15. So it's turning red color, so that's actually a sell. For 5 minutes or so shows 2 reds, so hard, that's a soft sell. 1 minute, let's see. If I were to buy here, maybe 510 would be the, well, 514 would be the one to jump in. If you guys don't understand, let me know what we are trying to do. We are trying to buy the breakout from a resistance. Well, this is actually not the resistance, this is yeah, I think Alex said if we check 1 year, let's see if it's actually a resistance for the 1 year. Yeah, there is something here, right? 2019 October. Yeah, well, we could mark it as a resistance. Alright, so the 15-minute close with the hard sell, so this should turn sideways. Let's go ahead and check other stocks. AIHS, what's the news? They have an agreement news with some corporation. Let's see. I don't see the news anymore there. Alright guys, I will check Google, but I want to let you guys know, if you are using OnePunch Algo, you can get precise information, like better results with OnePunch Algo, plus with anything else you are using with TradingView, if you upgrade to more market data available. So this is something that you are paying the exchange commission and TradingView. And I do have Nasdaq and NYSE. I pay $2 every month for both of them, for each of them, so that way I get more accurate data. So if you are using OnePunch Algo, please upgrade. That will give you more accurate data. I did mention this to Alex. Actually, Alex told me to mention it to everyone, and Femi and all have upgraded it. Please Google more market data for TradingView, and then go to paid plan, and then you can pick the market data. So if you go here, you go to world, not world, actually North America, and then this ARCA, you could choose that, NYSE, and then Nasdaq. Yeah, it works really well because it's real time. It gives to the cent information from the market. CBOE, they have it for free, so you don't have to pay for that. So I will keep on letting people know about that in the future. So this one is Nasdaq, right? So you have to use the real-time data to trade this one. So ADT, NYSE. So if you use real-time data with NYSE, it will give the same results as what I have here. Alright, so going back to AIHS, let's go ahead and check Google. AIHS, I just saw some news about it. Where was it? August 3 today, but Google is not picking it up. No. This is something else actually. I also checked last Saturday. Okay, so last Saturday I did check OnePunch Algo with cryptocurrencies. It works like a charm. And with cryptocurrencies, you don't need the $25,000. So if you want to invest on cryptocurrencies on Saturday and Sundays and day trade it, you can without a $25,000 account. You can actually put like 500 or 1000 and make 5%, 3% on cryptocurrencies. I did trade Dash, ETC, Ethereum Classic for this test. Just letting you guys know. Mara. So AIHS, I couldn't find the news from the Google or bar chart, but there is news on Reuters. There's a strategic cooperation agreement with Sichuan. Could be 2 Chinese companies. Auto business to EV manufacturing. Electric vehicle manufacturing, this is a yeah, so everyone is turning into electric car vehicles. So this one, since it is about electric cars, I saw a couple of electric car manufacturers kept on going up. So let's go ahead and mark the support and resistance levels just in case. I do see a hard sell right now with 30 minutes. So the time on the chart, like this background one, if you go to settings and then click watermark, it will be there. I just put there so you guys can see. You can have whatever colors you want. Let's see. Oh, I already have this marked for support and resistance levels. This here may be using the previous data, but now it is at that one 230. Okay, so it does have a chance to jump back again. So it was up on July 9, maybe we trade it, I can't remember, but where was the support? We don't have any support marked. Okay, let's mark the supports. Did I answer that, Femi? Was it the question? Alright, cool. So 94. Do we have any support at 94 for this? 94. Let's see. 80. Well, 80, there is one. Okay, cool. That's fine until you understand the system. Try to do, like I said on Friday, try to do momentum buy and sell. Okay, so on the page 5 you can see on my documentations. For those who want the documentation, go to OnePunch Algo and then click documentation and you will get this one. And just buy on the momentum for 5 minutes and then sell on the 5 minutes as well. Okay, this is done. Let's go to 15-minute chart here. 15-minute chart does show sell indications, so let's see. Did we talk about CBAY? Yeah, right? Yeah. I think Alex did sold it, right, Alex? You sold this one at 5.3. Okay, so see, OnePunch gave the sell, since then it's going down, but it could bounce with that support level, so watch for that 410. Okay, so ADT is keeping going down. So I heard that Microsoft is going to buy TikTok. Did you guys heard about it? Maybe a TikTok, maybe a option play, but let's see. Yeah, so September 15. Well, we still have time. What was the cost? This could actually get Microsoft in a good position. Maybe 220 options. Okay, Boar, what's going on? 5 minutes ago there is a news. EORR. Let's go ahead and check. No news in bar chart. Let's see Google. Well, they do have 2 news articles. No IPOs. I don't trade. But was it Chris who asked for a IPO which was like $10 but it went to 90? Who was that? I don't trade IPO, but I went with the Nikola electric car because I knew it's gonna go. Swing trading is my strategy, and waiting for the news and pre-market, buy sell, and then holding if I am sure 100% about a stock. So for an example, I'm 100% sure about the NBY stock that it will go up with the Rocket Mortgage. Okay, let's see, I will check that one. So this one, I know the earnings will be on Thursday and I have a lot of faith on it because I did read the transcript for Q1. They have hidden small stuff about the Q2. So if you read the transcript for NBY, you will find out why I'm 100% sure this will go up. Rocket Mortgage, let's see. Do you think we are in a good position for mortgage companies right now? You know, we are in a recession right now, right? 36 or 38%. Yeah, so let's see, not this one. Where was that? GDP. Okay, this one here. So this is the first time ever in history that we touch 38 or 32% in decrease for the GDP. So 30 is the recession point. The best option should give you guys, I saw something. Okay, this one here. Yeah, 15 recession period, 30 is like, okay, we are in recession, so it's a dangerous thing. You have to be careful. Even in previous crashes, it went less than 10, minus 10. Right now it's 32. It's really, I don't know. Which article? This one? What? Let me shut this one. So I'm using this ad blocker so I don't get seeking alpha one. Oh, let's see, where was the seeking alpha? This one. That's the same company, Rocket Companies. Okay. $40 billion. How many shares? 150 million shares at price range 2022. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's actually growing really good. So when was the date? I went so far. Oh, June, no. How much on the debt? Some concern with the rest of the company financial number. Rocket Companies has 70 billion in liabilities. $17 billion in debt. Yeah, so this one is concerning. What do you guys think? But you know, people might jump in and then push this for something far bigger and then jump out. So yeah, not bad. The 40 billion valuation and the growth of the residential mortgage market, all these are not bad. So next week I do have a lot of stocks on NBY. Let's see, I will make a note. Thank you, Alex, for letting us know. Okay, going back to BOR and CBAY, it's dropping. Fed 111 million outstanding shares. This is moving because, well, they do have oh, could be because of the earning. Yeah. This one here, best time to see me. Variant Medical System. Oh wow, $170. That's an option play, not for me. Now let's go to the next one. TYME. That's a hard sell for that. This is moving because announced orphan drug designation for patient with pancreatic cancer. Okay, that's not bad. but why it is going down? Let's see. Okay, so this is phase 2. The trial was done with 115 patients. Just an announcement, nothing granted. So it's moved up now. I see a hard sell, so people aren't actually buying into it. Stock moved today or Saturday? Was it today? Yeah, this was moved today. Now I see a hard sell here. Yeah, 126 million outstanding shares and 56 million share float. DPW, I really don't like DPW anymore. I used to make a lot of money from these guys. Should test the strategy tester. This one was, I'm testing this for this two months ago. Since 2 months ago, it's up 518 with OnePunch Algo. With 6 rate, 100% profitability, you could make 518. Still a risky company because they what do you call, split, and then at the same time they do the offerings, and you're gonna lose a lot of money. But if you can trade with the momentum, then fine. But I see a hard sell here, so it's gonna go down. NERV, fiscal year report. Okay, there's the hard sell. Let's check 15-minute. Yeah, a soft sell is forming, so the hype is dying out, so that's not good. Was it Apple? Apple did a reverse split. They're gonna do one. Oh, they announced it on 400 something. Now it's still going up. That's good. Once the reverse split is done with Apple, it will be around $100, and then if it goes to 200, technically it's actually like $800 worth. Oil. Right, it's time to filter all the unnecessary stocks. Let's go ahead and filter anything less than 100 million outstanding shares, and then let's see which stock is getting the most. That's actually the CBAY. So CBAY, you could swing trade it. It's going up now. If you check 5-minute chart, no momentum forming with 5-minute, but 1 minute, no. About 7. No. So market support here at 450. Yeah, you're right. Maybe right now it's trying to go up because of the 9 o'clock Robinhood trades. Maybe it's trying to break this here 510. I would wait until I see a momentum buy here. Alright, so these are the 8 stocks that are less than 100 million outstanding shares and gapping up in the morning. What is this one? DPHC. Diamond Peak. Okay, that's actually a merger. Alright, Femi, see you later. Let's see what was the highest for previous trading sessions. 1348. This was today. And then today 2 times it went to 1346. That's a resistant. They don't have any depth. Yeah, but they're not reporting right. Okay, but they do have 35 million outstanding shares. No information from the historical data. It's a hard one to predict. Well, if a momentum strategy happens, then you could buy and sell. If not, I still see a hard sell for this stock. So this is the first hard sell, since then it's down. Alright, let's take these down. No, I don't have a moving average here. Well, actually I do use 100-day moving average and 20-day moving average. Well, the depth, actually it's swing trading, yeah, it doesn't matter, but sometimes I like to see if there's a peak in depth from Q1 on 2020 or 2019 Q4. Based on that I can predict what's happening to the company right now because of the pandemic. So that way I know, like for Kodak, for an example, it went 2600%. Is there a possibility of a stock that can go that far? So I'm just checking that just to like confirm some facts around the company's ability to keep on going. I want to see if the depth is actually not that much, then the stock is doing really well, the company is doing really well. So any news the volatility will move up so high with any news. So Yeah, yeah. ADT was how much up? 68. I think already puts could come up so high, but there's a chance to like get puts for cheap. We'll see for about ABT. I still don't see a good stock other than the CBAY. Again, CBAY did have some news around their drug an hour ago. DTSS. Ooh. 20%. Wow, the volatility is really great. 20 million outstanding shares, 5 million share float. This is actually a good one. Yeah, that's actually a good buy here. Let me mark the support and resistance levels. I think the best option for this stock is using 1 minute chart, because the 5 minutes shows more than 20% movement for each candlestick, so that's a sell here, but you have to wait and decide after it forms 30 seconds into the 1 minute, so you don't like panic sell. Right now it's still 45, 44. Let's see. 34. After 30 seconds for the 1 minute, if it is still a green, then keep on going. Yeah, it's still a green, keep on going. Yeah, this will go even after 9 o'clock. Alright, it's still moving up. Wow, already 37% up since Alex mentioned it. Wait for that 30 seconds. Okay, still a green, but that's a weird candle there. People are selling. Last 30 seconds became red, so that's a sell. Yeah, that's a sell. If it turns green the next candlestick, then yeah, buy in. Now end up with red for 1 minute and 5 minutes as well, so that's a sell. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and check for support and resistance levels here. $39. Previous high $4.99. Didn't that touch right now? That's what happened right now, right? Yeah, see, so it did touch that resistance level. Okay, and the height for the 2 years was it that? Yeah, 737. You're saying blue or green? Oh, you have blue and red. Well, did you upgrade with the newest market data I talk about? This one here. Okay, then refresh the tab again and then close OnePunch Algo, like close it and then add back again. Actually remove it and then add back again. You did that too? Okay, let me check what you are seeing. So this actually has the possibility to run from 737 until 1778, so that's a huge one. Let's go to 1 minute and see what. So it's not forming like this. Color doesn't change for you. Anyone else having the same issue? If you're having the issue, let's do a zoom later on today around 6:30 p.m. Eastern time, and then let's see what's happening in your account. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, so you said which account you have with TradingView? This one is at Nasdaq. So you did mention that you went and brought the Nasdaq extra market data, right? So if you are using extra market data, then it should actually give you the results. That's the actual reason for getting extra market data as well, because it will give you to the point, to the cent information. That's a buy. No, not. Can't take a decision until 30 seconds is done for the 1 minute, so hold on. Yeah, see, if you panic sell there, you might lose, but still wait. I see a lot of people are selling that area. Wait for 30 seconds into 1 minute. Okay, it's moving up. So 5 minutes. Yeah, well, you don't even have a sell for that one. Yeah, you could go. That's a chance from there to there. 737. Let me double check if you mark everything right. Why 520? 5 minutes? I don't see any sell yet. Maybe here 569 previous high, but let's mark that with orange color. Oh yeah, that's good too. Shouldn't be greedy. That's a good one. Nice. Go and sleep, bro. So DTSS does have a lot of momentum. Stock is doing really well today. Already up 196 on the merger news. Well, that's not a merger actually, that's a Data C signed its first agreement in Beijing. Lately, a lot of Chinese stocks keep on going up. Alright, take care, bud. Femi, so if you can send me a Zoom invite for 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, let's go ahead and check what's going on with your chart. Alright, that's a sell there. Well, this is 5 minutes, so still not. You have to wait. If you're using 5-minute chart, wait 2 minutes and 30 seconds to make a decision. Still 3 minutes. Watch that countdown. So right now the countdown shows 254, 253. So still hold. On the other hand, for 1 minute, wait until 30 seconds, halfway into the candlestick. Once again, guys, please subscribe if you haven't. Please like this channel video if you haven't as well. That will help me to rank the video plus the channel. Still a buy. It's gonna break out now. Alright, Femi, talk to you later. So that's the sell mark, but wait for the 30 seconds into 1 minute. If you check 5 minutes, that's a good indicator, nothing to sell there. So 1 minute, 30 seconds, 32, 31. Okay, so still a green. So wait. But if it is red, wait. People are buying and selling at that point. What's going on? How many stocks sold there? 188. They have low float, so that's actually good. Hold on. Wait for 30 seconds. Yeah, so it's a red, so that's the sell here. 616. Once again, guys, for those who are new, to get the OnePunch Algo, go to onepunchalgo.com and click get the plugin now button, and the documentation, download it and print out and keep it with you guys. I'm giving the algo for 2 months free, so just fill this form, subscribe using the PayPal button, and you can cancel at any time you want, and it's free for 60 days, so go ahead and use that as well. Oh, that's the break. So that's the buy at 910, so it's trying to break. Break 737. If it broke, wait, oh my god, it could go so much. 737, let's see. Yeah, I just brought in 760. Okay, let's see. This is a good one. Thirty seconds into that 1 minute, let me open 2 tabs. One is gonna be 5 minutes and the other one gonna be 1 minute, so that way it's gonna be easy for you guys. Wow, 300% up. Since first Alex mentioned it's up 200%. Okay, so 5 minutes under the second chart below, and the up one is 1 minute. Let's see. Still have 5%. That's the red forming. Sell now. 765. I brought 760, so on the whole could sell now because I see I would wait for the 30 seconds. Yeah, there 62. Didn't lose, but didn't make a lot. I wanted to see that breakout. So I waited for the 1 minute. I will get in if it's gonna change back to a momentum stock. So I was actually trying to catch a 1788 resistance. Oh, yeah, that's the one. 96. Five minutes still doesn't look good. It's a red candle, not even a hard sell, but just a red candle. We'll see. 55 seconds to cross the 5 minutes for now. 1 minute I see a reversal, so that could be it, but we never know. Let's see. It's actually trying to break out the resistance. It's above that resistance 737 and it's trying to break out, but people are taking the profit. How many shares sold so far here? 300,000, 400,000, 180,000, so close to a million in less than 1 minute, 3 minutes. What about 5 minutes? Yeah, 1.9 million on the last 5 minutes. Now it's actually moving. That's good. That's a good sell here. Buy here. Wait for that 30 seconds to jump in. Okay, 8, 9. My order was filled at 8.5. Let's see. Struggling. I want to see if it can break that point here. 8.12. Okay, I sold for 8.5 again. I will wait to jump in at 9.40. If it break 9.40, yes. My next order is at 9.40. Actually, let's put 9.45. The reason I put 9.45, there are two instances. It touched 9.40 and then dropped down. So if I were to buy back without any hard burn, I would wait for it to pass 9.40. So that's why I put 9.45. Was this the stock that we traded couple of weeks ago? Was it DSS or DTSS? I can't remember. Well, see, that's the problem. I didn't lose any money in both trades here. It was struggling to like move or the breakout. So now I would wait for 5 minutes. I see for the first time that a hard sell form in the market. The 5 minute close. 30 minutes, nothing there yet. 15 minutes, nothing there yet. It is dropping now. Yeah, the other thing you guys need to keep in mind, it kept on going up more than 10%, actually 20% in all the 5 minute charts. So if it is going to drop, it might drop the same way, so be careful. If you're using margins, you could lose the entire investment. Still trading in between. So right now, what's the time? 9:16. I would wait for it to open the market and see what are the points. So for me, 568, if it drops and then bounce back, that's the entry. And again, $5.01, that's the entry if it bounce back from $5.01, and 39 as well. So if it goes up, then let me mark the current high. 838. Okay, that's fine. If it breaks 838, then when moving up, then that's my cue to buy. 845 will be my entry level. So far I see it's dropping. If you check 15-minute chart, 15 minutes seems to be fine, but the 5 minute actually gives a hard sell. Alright, so again guys, thank you for visiting OnePunch Algo. We are live every day from 7:45 AM to 9:30 AM Eastern Time. In the pre-market sessions, we check for pre-market scanners to find early morning top gapping stocks that are less than $20. So right now we found DTSS as the best stock for intraday. HIHO and other stocks aren't doing well. AMBO, that's a new one. What time it came? 9 o'clock. It was up 49% at 9 o'clock. What is the reason? But let me open this up with 15-minute chart. Okay, that's a soft sell. So AMBO moved up, but we don't have any other information about it, and the pre-market volume is around 315,000, so that's not that much. Mara starting to move up back again. I see a momentum strategy to play here, so I would wait. DTSS is my eyes are going to be with DTSS. It's actually doing well. It went more than 300%. Since we started talking, it went more than 200%. So that's a good one. CBAY, once it gave the hard sell for 15 minutes, it kept on going down. So you guys can see, if you're shorting, you could do the maximum shorting opportunity with 50-minute candlestick. VAR, 90 million outstanding shares, at CBO 32 million outstanding shares. I think they have earnings today. Oh, Codex, it's moving up. That's the hard sell for Codex. What is the news? Self-collected COVID saliva test. Technology to be used in FDA authorized self-collected. Okay. FDA UFOs. Go ahead and check all the other stocks and then close the ones that aren't going to do well today. This one is not going to do well. This one doesn't, so I'm gonna mark it with red label. Codex could be, I need to mark the support and resistance levels, but I don't trade stocks that are more than $20, so this one is 27. But the problem with Codex, they do have good information about COVID and stuff. Maybe I should check it. Well, I will check it, so I will mark it with orange color. ATIF is moving up. 47 million outstanding shares and 30 million share float. Seems to be okay. More than 20 corporate clients. That's why it's moving. Sign contract. Okay. 166 to 186. Let's keep it aside and go to CBO. Let's mark all the stuff that aren't going to be a buy for today or swing trading for today. CBO that's the hard sell with 15 minutes at 8 o'clock. So since then it's going down, so I'm gonna mark that with no. War, say reverse termination fee of 400 will be paid by closing. What is going on here? This is not about this stock. I think this is about a different company. Yeah, this is not about this. I don't know why it is popping up in this feed. Couldn't find any news about VAR either, so I'm gonna drop it. CBAY, this could actually turn into a good one. They do have news about a drug, well, positive news announcement actually. So any case, if it touches 410 and bounce back, then there is a chance for a small 9% profit, and maybe if it can break that 450, then it could go back again up for 475, around 470 and 475. So I will be watching that. AIHS, yeah, 50 minutes, that's the sell, 730. Since then it's still moving down, so Ambo, that's the new stock that popped out at 9 o'clock. $90 million outstanding shares, so not bad. So the lowest share that is up, well, lowest floated share is DTSS, so it does have less than 6 million shares, and then followed by AIHS. So these two stocks could be the one, and ATIF, that's also going up right now. So HIHO came up in my alert. What's going on? Normally I get alerts before a stock breakout, so I don't know. DTSS, let's go back and check 5-minute chart. 639 was the touch for that 5 minute, and the last 50 minutes actually touching 630 mark and jumping back. It's trying to break that 737. Let's see if it is possible. I'm not going to jump in now. We only have 4 minutes left, and I would watch DTSS. Alright, let's go ahead and prepare the setup. I didn't mention about ITIF. I want to check it. Let's add codex. Right, let's mark the symbol. No interval, yes. 1 minute is fine. So we have 4. I'm gonna open 4 charts, all are 1 minute. We'll go back and forth with 5, but let's see. First one, DTS, that's my best option for today. Second one, wait, where is the other one? HIHO is the lowest float actually. DPW also, that's working out, but IMUX, for some reason it popped up. What's going on with that? Okay, it's more than $20, so yeah. So AIHS, this is the other one. Let's add that as well. Okay, that's it. So AIHS, third one gonna be CBAY, fourth one gonna be ADT. Alright, we'll turn these into a 5-minute chart just to see what's happening right now. Two minutes left. This AIHS could touch that 80 cents mark and then bounce back, and then you might be having like 11% profitability from 80 to 92. So watch that. AT, I'm not going to trade, I'm just watching with the news. I don't see any great news, but just watching because they have low float. CBAY on the other hand, I will jump out, actually jump in if it touch $4.10 and then bounce back. So $4.20 might be my option, but DTSS is actually touching 568 support level. Could bounce here. Open could bounce back. Let's see. Just watching DTSS, I kind of feel like we could make more money today, because all these previous candles, it shows you can make more than 10% for every 5 minutes. So alright guys, good luck. I hope you guys make a lot of money today and hit your goals. Please visit back tomorrow at 7:45 AM. If I am not available, keep on watching the channel. I will be there. So the live video will pop up in your emails if you subscribe and click that notification button, so you know when I'm live. Alright guys, have fun, make a lot of money. That's my cue to go. Thank you.